In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos and screenshots to your OneNote pages. Starting off with a photo. If you have a photo from your experiment that you want to add to your OneNote pages, well, the very first thing that you need to do is to transfer it from your phone or whatever you've used to take the photo onto your computer. Now, if you have an iPhone, I'm sure that you're familiar with using AirDrop to move photos from your iPhone to your Mac. But if you have an Android phone, you'll probably need to use the USB cable, or you can use your Google Drive to put the images onto your Google Drive and then opening up the Google Drive on your laptop and downloading those photos. Either way, you will most likely end up with photos that are in your downloads folder. Now, to put the photo onto your OneNote, all you do is navigate to where the photo is, for example, image 1 for me, and then you click and you hold down the click and you drag it to where you want to place the image. In this case, I want to place it on this line, so I can just release it there. And then OneNote will attach that image where you dragged it. And you can click on the image, you can resize it, okay, make it bigger or smaller. Again, really, you need to make sure that you are formatting it appropriately to make it easy to read. And if you've put it into the wrong spot, you can drag it around and move it to where the right spot is, okay? Next, if you want to add a screenshot to OneNote, the easiest way that I have found, right? Let's say that I've got my my graph. Maybe your graph is actually in Excel, or maybe you've got your table that you want to take a screenshot of. The easiest way that I found is that you, on your keyboard, hold down Command, Shift, Control, and then the number 4. Then you'll see this little crosshair come up where your cursor was. And then you just need to click and drag to where you want to take the screenshot. So I want to take a screenshot of this whole graph. So I click in one corner, drag it all the way to the other corner, and then you can release. When you release, you'll hear that sort of capture sound, that phone capture sound. That tells you that the screenshot was taken. And then you can navigate to your OneNote, to wherever you want the image to appear, and then you just need to click Command V to paste the image. Okay, and then just the same as before, you can click on that image and drag the corners to resize it, or click and drag to move it around to where you specifically want it. If you don't like how it's formatted in line with the text, you can actually click on the image and then use Command X, click outside your image, outside the text in a completely blank space, click Command V, and now it's free form, right? It's not bound to the text lines. You can place it wherever you want on the page, okay? But I recommend, right, Command X, Command V, I recommend that you keep it kind of in line with the text, just so that it doesn't overlap with anything.